Hey, what's up everyone? James from Junkyard Fox. Thank you so much for joining me. And really quick video. So last week we did select our 50K subscriber giveaway winner, but 7 days have passed, he did not come forward, so it's only right for us to select a new winner. Okay, so let's not make this video too long. New winner has been selected and his name is Armando Mota. He states, "That is one effing awesome giveaway. Every time I watch this channel, it's always good content. I love that this is one of the few channels with original ideas, and for that I watch this religiously. Even if I don't win anything now or ever, you will still have a loyal subscriber. With that said, thank you for the awesome videos, amigo, and please let me know if you have any Fox bandanas for sale again. All that great gear would be great to take in the Zona del Silencio, Durango, Mexico. It's an amazing place where everything digital and mechanical stops working. This kit has the essentials and would be an awesome kit to take out there. Look it up, bro, you'll like it. Get some good ideas for your series. Here's a link to check it out," and he provides a link to the Zona del Silencio. So, Armando, thank you so much for the kind words. I appreciate your loyalty, and here's your opportunity. So, just get in contact with me. We just have to verify age and all that stuff, and I'll send out the package to you, the gear. And of course, if Armando does not come forward in 7 days, a new winner will be selected, okay? All right, guys, so that's about it. We are out camping, and we're filming some new videos and stuff like that, so we have a lot of really cool content coming up pretty soon, but that's about it for this video. So, thank you all so much. I'll see you guys next week. Now go outside and get your boots dirty.